Hello guys, how are you guys doing? In today's video I want to show you how I make my homemade coconut oil. So I've already made a video on homemade coconut oil. I'm going to link the link down below this video. You can click on the link and watch the procedure from the beginning. So I came back home, I washed my coconut chaff, I separated the chaff from the milk and I put it in the fridge. So this is the content the next morning, guys. Sorry I didn't put that part. You can click on the link down below this video and watch how I wash my coconut when I come back from the market with warm water to extract the milk, which I'm going to use to make my coconut oil. So this is it, guys. After like 10 hours being in the fridge, the water has separated and you can see I'm scooping the fat. It's like blocked. That is what I'm going to cook to get my coconut oil. So that's the reason why I keep it in the fridge, for it to settle down for at least 8 to 10 hours, so you can easily scoop that fat, that content that has been blocked, and cook it. So guys, you want to also know that the coconut that you'll be using is very important. I made a video on the best coconut you can use to make your homemade coconut oil. I'm going to link the link down below this video. You can click on it and find out what coconut is good for your homemade coconut oil. I did mention in the video that you need a mature coconut, you need a strong coconut if you want to get enough oil. So this is it, guys. When I wake up in the morning and I see that the water has separated and the content is blocked just like ice, I feel excited because I know that I'm going to have enough oil. So I'm just making sure I'm scooping up all the blocked fat content at the top, leaving the water. I will not use the water. I'm just going to use the blocked content which I'm scooping. I will use it to cook it and make my coconut oil. And you also want to make sure that the pot you're using is like an aluminum pot. You want to use a good pot. If you use like a steel pot, a pot that the quality is not real good, it's going to burn your oil. You're not going to have like a good coconut oil. It is going to burn everything while you're still cooking it. So I'm just going to scoop that out, put it in my pot, and I'm going to cook this on a low heat, guys. So I decided to make this video, although I already make a video on homemade coconut oil, because I make coconut all the time at home. So I decided to make this video, and this video is different because my husband is in this video. So you'll be seeing him somewhere around this video. He came and gave me a helping hand in making the coconut oil. So after scooping everything and putting it in the pot, I'm just going to cook it on the low heat. I've been cooking this for like 20 minutes, guys. You can already see the oil has started coming out. I feel very excited.
The coconut oil is boiling now. It's bringing oil now, you know. It's boiling bad. So I have to stay like 3 to 4 meters. I have to stay like 3 to 4 meters, so, you know, make this, so that this thing will not come full, you know. This is gonna, you guys should view it and give me 1 million views within 1 hour. If you guys don't want problem with me, and me and YouTube, here I come. Wait, what die? I'm doing coconut oil, you know. What a woman can do in kitchen, a man can do even though. Hey, this one I want. Like I don't go talk the kind of way I talk. Woman don't agree with my video again. Boy, it's true. Nah, man, this is not bomb.
I've been cooking this oil for like 20 minutes, guys. You can see the oil is coming out. Like, I feel excited when I see this oil. I'm very happy. I know that all my work has not gone in vain, so at least I got something. So after I finished cooking it, I just strain the oil into a bowl and let it cool. You can see it in the bowl. So after it's cold, I'm going to put it in the container. I'll use a cotton and a funnel to make sure that I filter every content that is in it. I want to have a pure coconut oil, so that's the reason why I'm using my cotton. So I'm just going to filter that through the cotton and put it in the container. So guys, this is how I make my homemade coconut oil. If you're in Malaysia and you're interested in having this awesome oil, you can always contact me. I'm going to link my email down below this video. You can write me on email and order for your coconut oil, or you can write me on my Instagram or my Facebook. I'm going to link my Instagram and Facebook ID down below this video. So that's it guys, it's going down in the bottle. I want to make sure that it's pure. So it's taking it's very slow because of the cotton. So guys, this is how I make my homemade coconut oil. The steps are very simple. As long as you follow the step correctly and you use the correct type of coconut, you are going to have your oil. So hope this video helps someone do their own coconut oil. Like I said before, coconut oil is packed with a lot of benefits. I'm going to recommend coconut oil to everyone. I'll also link a video down below this video. When in the video I talk about the 10 awesome benefits of coconut oil, you can go ahead and click on the link and watch this video. So guys, I'm just putting it in that funnel. I'm trying to filter the coconut oil, making sure that I'm having a pure coconut oil. So this is it guys. Hope this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, just give this video a thumbs up, drop your comments down below this video. Don't forget to share this video, and please, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscription button down below this video. So this is it guys, this is what I got, and you look at that color, it is amazing. It is amazing. I love it. So guys, hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you very much guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Have a